my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. I could not be more excited to film this video today because it is the last Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing for 2018. And yes, I said 2018. As you guys know, I was behind on these Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes for quite some time, but I love the subscription so much and creating the associated makeup tutorial with it that I wanted to upload these videos anyways. I wanted to film these videos anyways and share them with you even though they're almost a year late. I don't really care. Today we are here to film the last unboxing of the 2018 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes and I cannot wait. So Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription service that is featured around an entire makeup look. It is only $21 a month. They have many different payment plans, but the most affordable payment plan is $21 a month, and they have free worldwide shipping. So without further ado, since there are so many of these videos on my channel, let's go ahead and see what's inside the last Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box for 2018. By the way, I am so ready to start 2019 boxes, finally. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside this last Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box for 2018. Only on FunsizedStyle can you see a Winter Wonderglam unboxing in August. But hey, that's okay. It's totally okay. And I don't really care that this video is going to get hardly any views. I really don't care. But as you can see, the theme for this box is Winter Wonderglam. Even though this individual box is no longer available anymore, I will link the products individually down below in case you'd like to recreate this makeup tutorial with me once I do that video. If you're new to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, the card includes a little description of what they're thinking for the theme, and they have the brand, the product name, as well as the retail value of the product. Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box includes 5 full-size products every single month, and they're always full-size products. But this box, they included 2 bonus items, and usually when they include a bonus item, it's only 1 item. This box, they included 2 bonus items, so that's really exciting. For some reason, when they include a bonus item, one of the bonus items is always a face mask, like every single time. Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is exclusively a makeup subscription, and like I said, when they include a bonus item, for some reason, it's always a face mask. I will never understand why, but hey, that's okay. This item is by the brand Etude House. I'm probably saying that so wrong and I apologize. But this is the black hydrogel eye patch mask. So as you can see by the image here, this is how you would put the mask on. That mask looks about and feels about as big as my whole entire face. Not to mention my skin is so sensitive that I have to be super picky about what I use. So I'll be passing this along to somebody. Since face masks aren't needed in a makeup tutorial, it doesn't really matter anyways. Let's go ahead and finally get into the makeup products in this box. I also forgot to mention that the hydrogel eye patch retails for $4.90. The next product that I pulled out of my Winter Wonderglam box is by the brand Kawkawlin Cosmetics, and Kawkawlin Cosmetics is actually one of my favorite brands, and this is the 7-in-1 Dual 4D Fiber Mascara, and of course this is full size. So let's go ahead and check out this mascara. I have never used a 4D mascara before. I'm not going to open it yet because I want to wait until the tutorial, but as you can see, it has 2 ends. I saw this in another unboxing, and it looks like there's like 2 sides, obviously, and there's like a thinner side for your lower lashes. I don't have like any lower lashes, so I don't need to worry about that. Then there's a regular size wand for your upper lashes. So I'm really excited to see how this performs because like I said, I've never used a 4D mascara. This mascara retails for $26. So as you can see, the first 2 products of this box already pays for itself. The next product that I pull out of my Winter Wonderglam box is by the brand Clean Color, and I feel like I received this product in a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box before, or it might have been an Ipsy. I'm like 99.99% sure it was a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, but I'm not sure what kind of product this is because the text is so dark. It's a retractable lip liner in the shade Hot Red. This was also one of the bonus items, so I have now showed you guys both bonus items in the box. So I'm glad that they finally included a makeup product as one of their bonus items instead of an additional skincare product. This retractable lip liner retails for $1. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Oh wow, for only $1. That quality of the lip liner is amazing, and it's so smooth. Very smooth. Usually I feel like a lot of lip liners aren't very smooth, but this one is really good, and I'm excited to give it a try. The next product we have here is in some bubble wrap, but it looks like it's by the brand Hikari. Yes, so this is a shimmer bronzer in the shade Fantasy by Hikari Cosmetics. I received a shimmer bronzer in an Ipsy bag before. The quality of the product is really, really good, but I do not have the shade Fantasy. So here is what the product looks like. It's really, really pretty. I am excited to try this. I'll see if I can swatch it for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that swatch, but it is gorgeous. Wow, 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 wow. This, I can tell that this look is going to be like very shimmery and like a winter frosty kind of look. Really, really excited to create a Winter Wonderglam look using these products. Wow, that is gorgeous. This shimmer bronzer retails for $17. The next product that I received in my Winter Wonderglam box is by the brand P.O Box, and this is an eye paint in the shade Bad Attitude. I've tried so many P.O Box products now, being subscribed to both Ipsy and Sweet Sparkle, because both of these brands love including P.O Box products and Hikari. P.O Box especially. I've never tried one of their eye paints. I feel like this product might be a little bit liquidy, so I'll try to swatch it. I don't know what it will be like. Oh wow, this is interesting. It's like doe foot applicator, like a liquid lipstick. I've never used anything like this before. Oh wow, that is beautiful and so pigmented. Oh my gosh, this look is gonna be so easy and pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know how Sweet Sparkle does it, but whatever their theme is, they include the most beautiful products to create the most flawless theme. This screams winter to me. Ah, so pretty. So, so pretty. I will say I was very surprised because in the packaging, it obviously looks very silver, but then when you swatch it, it's like a frosty, shimmery blue. So I was pretty surprised, but it's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. Even though it's far from winter, I'm excited to create this look. I just feel like this look is going to be so effortless and so easy, and it's going to turn out so pretty. Like, I cannot wait to try it. With the 2 bonus items, I still have 2 more products to show you guys in this box. So this has been fun. It's a little bit longer than the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box video. Alright, the packaging on this product is very unique. It's just all white and you can barely see what's written on it, but on the back it has the shade name. So this looks like a lip product in the shade Red Cherry. I do not know what brand it is though. Oh wow, the packaging is gorgeous. I've never heard of this brand. I think it's pronounced Clay. I'm not sure. Clay. I'm sure it's not Clay. I don't know. CLE. This is the melting lip powder, and it's a long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. That is so cool. Oh my god. How fun is this? This reminds me a little bit of Benetint. It's not like a melting lip powder like this one is. How gorgeous. I forgot to let you know that the P.O Box eye paint retails for $8. So here is the, whoa, melting lip powder. This is, I'm sure it's going to be like the craziest consistency. Oh wow. It feels so weird, but like cool. It's like a lip powder. Obviously, it just said it's a lip powder, but I've never tried one of these. How fun is this? I am so excited to create this look for you guys. So excited. Oh my gosh. I keep saying that, but like such fun and unique colors and products from different brands. I can't wait. The quality of these products are amazing, this box. The melting lip powder retails for $20. Okay, this is the last product in my Winter Wonderglam box, and this is by the brand Kokie Professional, and this is a dual metallic shadow, and this is in the shade Gone Platinum. If you guys have been around more recently, oh wow, so pretty. Wait, oh I see why they say it's a duo. Oh my, do not discard the sponge. I gotta look. Oh wow, okay. I've never tried one of these. So there's this top part. See if I can show you guys. So there's like 2 layers to this packaging. The top part is, it feels kind of creamy. I don't know how this works. So the top part is like creamy. You can barely see it. It's like very shimmery though. You unlock the bottom part and it comes with this little sponge, and there's a big sticker on it that says, "Do not discard the sponge." And it's all shimmery right here. Plus I have to unseal this, which I'm not going to do right now. Probably going to get a little bit messy, and I'm not filming the tutorial right this moment. So maybe you take some of this shimmer and dip it into this cream formula. I'm not sure. This is so cool. The uniqueness of these products are so cool. Maybe I'm just under the radar and I've never tried these kinds of products, but I'm definitely going to go on their website, see how to use this product, because I've never used a product like this, because I think it's going to be really cool. I want to use it to its full potential, so I want to learn how to do it right. This product retails for $8 as well. Oh my gosh, what a fun box. Other than the hydrogel eye patch, there was literally not a product in this box that I didn't love and that I'm not excited to try. I'm excited to try everything. I'm so excited to create this look, and what a great way to end the 2018 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes on a happy and excited note of products to try. So now, as you can see, my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is empty, and that's it for the 2018 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxings. And then we just have this tutorial to create, and that will be it, and we'll move on to 2019 finally. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Such fun products. I will link everything that I can find that was in this box down below, because I'm sure you guys are going to want to try some of this stuff, especially after seeing me swatch it, and the quality of these products are impeccable. So I'll be sure to link everything down below, because you're going to want to purchase it, you're going to want to try it, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you'll tune into the Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial using the products that were in this box. And since that was the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!